Hello, my little friends. Are you ready for an adventure?
Yes!
Today we'll learn about transport. What does transport mean? It moves us from place to another.
Look at the car on the land. See the boat on the water. Watch the plane in the air. Look at the bright red car. Can you say car?
Car. Can you say bus?
Bus.
Can you say train? Train. Can you say boat? Boat.
Can you say ship?
Ship.
Airplane.
Look up in the sky, it is a helicopter. Wave hello to our friendly flying friend. Watch it go down and then fly back up. It is moving so smoothly. Can you say helicopter? Wow, look! What vehicle is hiding here? Can you guess what it is? Let's see what it is.
What is it? A car. What is it? A boat. What is it? An airplane. Car on the road, beep, beep, beep. Bus goes by, beep, beep, beep. Train on the track, choo-choo-choo. Boat on the water, splash, splash, splash. Ship on the sea, whoosh and dash. Plane in the sky, fly so high. Wave your hands and say hi. Car and bus, come follow us.
Car, bus, and train are land transport. Boat and ship are water transport. Plane and helicopter are air transport. Wow! You did a fantastic job! Today we learned about land, water, and air transport. Keep learning and keep smiling. Bye-bye, little learners.